Welcome. As you all know, Parvati Hospital has been a pioneer in opening up new
Good morning to all of you. It's a great moment for Parvati Hospital. So far, we had been catering to patients who have been knocking our doors. Today, the time has come that we have to extend our services to go knock the patient's door because of the pandemic and also about the improved technology. We thought we will reach patients at their home. So far, we have almost a patient base of around 3 lakh. When we had been coming across in the clinical situations, we found that the need for home care is enormous, and it had been an area which has not been really attended to very well. So Parvati thought that it has to extend its services directly at the doorsteps of the patients. And of course, a lot of inspiration from the technology. It could be Swiggy or it could be Urban Clap. But the medical service to be taken to the doorstep is not an easy task. Thanks to our team who have designed it so well that assurance is given, the quality will be at par with what they get, and those services are only extended at their home. And not only that, and the cost is going to be cheaper than what they would finally spend when they come to the hospital. So it's going to be a multi-pronged benefit for the patients as well. And I hope we are going to expand this to entire Chennai and entire state and the country. Thanks for this time and opportunity given, and I wish Parvati Home Care a great success. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Thanks for Chairman's message. As he rightly pointed out, this is yet another milestone for Parvati's in the Parvati's journey. So we have been innovative in so many aspects, and this particular aspect of home care delivery, as rightly pointed out by Chairman, the services like Swiggy, the Zomato, the Urban Clap, this is really inspirational for us. Why not a medical care can be reached to the patient site? During this pandemic situation, yes, there are a lot of challenges being faced by the patients, a lot of fear complexes being developed. And this is one-stop solution which really gives more of a comfort to the patients. That is why, this has been made, a lot of research and development has been made for the last 1 year period. And thanks to the team of people who have been very meticulously involved in this exercise. And today, it gave birth to this newborn baby, that is Parvati Home Care. So on behalf of Team Parvati, my best wishes and all the very best to the entire team of Home Care. And I hope, I don't have any doubt, I'm very sure and confident that this team will do wonders and will come up with flying colors with the blessings of God and with the wishes of Chairman and every team member of Parvati. I think this will flourish and it will come up with flying colors. Thank you.
So you'll be So, thanks for releasing the patient booklet. This booklet will have all the features, services that is provided by Parvati Hospital. Thank you, sir. Head of Transport, Mr. Sudarshan, to hand over memento for guest of honor, Dr. Ravi Shankar. Dr. Ravi Shankar is the founder and chairman of BHS Home Care Services. Please join us, sir. So please, Srivas. I request Dr. S. Muthukumar, Chairman and Founder, Parvati Hospital, to hand over a small memento to Dr. Ravi Shankar. Yes, sir. Dr. Ravi Shankar will share us few words about the home care services that is evolving in India.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. At the very outset, I'd like to thank Parvati Hospitals for calling me here to say a few words on home health care. As you all know, the population growing is going for a stagnancy. The birth rate is coming down, and the death rate is also coming down because of the highly infrastructured healthcare that is available. So now we are going to see more number of elderly population. And as you all know, elderly population, they are, as we all know in pediatrics, children are not small adults and adults are not bigger children. The entire metabolism differs. And the common problem of elders you usually see in day in, day out. And as you all know, the average lifespan of a human being was only around 20 to 30s in the year of 1947, and right now it is around 67 to 70. So as they grow old, they are not living by the rule of survival of the fittest of Charles Darwin. So no more they are fit biologically to move around. But as you all know, mobility is the, and as for your Parvati Hospital itself, you give more happiness to the mobility. So you need to give more mobility, and as they are more mobile and you see more of small structured homes, a lot of studio homes, and the intention to fall is, the tendency to fall is more. And India being a large popular country, 140 crore population country, so we'll have more elderly, and so it is, the trend is now, we should now get trained to know about the biology, to know about their pathology of elders, and as you all know, the government of Tamil Nadu also has started a project of Veedu Centru Seru Maruthuva Thittam, and we are all, so act like a Rome, and we are now on all with the age, and I wish all success to Parvati Hospitals for taking this effort, and it's yet one more human service that you're going to do to the community. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Srinivasan, our Chief Operating Officer, Parvati Hospitals, to hand over memento to the CEO of Mozero Health App Services, Mr. Pal Narayanan. I request Mr. Pal Narayanan to brief us a few words about the mobile app that is specially designed for the healthcare services.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity to be here during the launch event. It was really a privilege working with Parvati Hospitals to partner in launching the app. In terms of the app, it's got quite a lot of features, right from the time the patient steps out of the hospital till he comes back again for the service. There's a lot of information about his healthcare needs, the ability to book home care services, be it physio, doctor visits, ambulance visits, all of it is there. We've tried to keep the flow very simple, convenient, and user-friendly. Thank you so much, sir. That's a short note about the app and the features. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Narayanan. Now we are going to see a live video of a patient booking their services at their residence using our app.
ஃபோன் நம்பர் வந்து பண்ணுங்க. ஏதாச்சும் இருங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம். பண்ணுங்க. பேக் பேசுங்க.
வணக்கம் சார், என் பேர் சீனிவாசன். எங்கள் அப்பா பேர் விஜயசன். அவருக்காக நான் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பார்வதி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு வந்திருந்தோம். ஸோ அவங்க ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஒரு 3 days ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் ஸ்டே பண்ணியிருந்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து வீட்டில் வந்து ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங்க்கு வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து ஹோம் கேர் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டேன். அவங்க இருக்குது, ஐ பார்வதி ஆப்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது, நீங்கள் மொபைலில் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் நீங்கள் செலக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா அதை ஆன்லைனில் நீங்கள் பேமெண்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா பேமெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டா நாங்கள் வீட்டில் வந்து ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணுவோம் சொன்னாங்க. நாங்கள் அது மாதிரி பேமெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ எங்களுக்கு அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் டைம் நான் சொன்ன டைமுக்கு அவங்க வந்து பண்ணாங்க. அது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. எங்களுக்கு டைம் சேவாக இருந்தது. இந்த கொரோனா காலத்தில் நாங்கள் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு வராத வீட்டிலே பண்ணுறதால எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. ஸோ இந்த ஐ கேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதால ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. பார்வதி ஐ கேர் சாஃப்ட்வேர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. ஸோ வர டெக்னீஷியன் எங்களுக்கு நல்லா குயிக்காக பண்ணிவிட்டு சீக்கிரம் போயிட்டார், அவரும் போயிடுவார். எங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் அலையணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. எங்களுக்கு டைம் சேவ் ஆகுது இருக்குது. வணக்கம் சார், என் பேர் சீனிவாசன். எங்கள் அப்பா பேர் முருகேசன். அவருக்கு பார்வதி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் நாங்கள் வந்து ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். அந்த ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு டாக்டர் வந்து ஒரு 15 days வந்து வீட்டில் நீங்கள் ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னாங்க. அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங்க்கு நாங்கள் ஏதாவது வீட்டில் வந்து பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டால் அவங்க வந்து பார்வதி ஹோம் கேர் ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இருக்குதுன்னு சொன்னாங்க. அந்த சாஃப்ட்வேர் நாங்கள் மொபைலில் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அது மூலிமா பேமெண்ட் ஆன்லைன்லேருந்து பேமெண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு பேமெண்ட் பண்ணோம். அவங்க வந்து வீட்டில் வந்து ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் பண்ணுறாங்க. இதனால் எங்களுக்கு டைம் சேவ் ஆகுது. ஸோ நாங்கள் வந்து ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு அலையணும் அவசியம் கிடையாது. இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக
By Parvati Home Care. Thank you. Thank you for joining us live today.